We'll guide you through how to install an SD card into a Samsung phone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.
First of all, go and get your phone and we'll just go and turn it off like so. Now what you need to do is go and locate the slot on the side of it. You install the SD card where you go and install the SIM card. So as you can see, I've got this slot here. I have a little dot next to it. And then all you need to do is go and get a pin. So I actually am using the SIM tool which came with the phone, but you can go and use a paper clip or something small like this. And then all you need to do is go and put it in this hole and push, and it should then go and pop out just like so. And then what we can do is go and pull it out. And I've already got a SIM card installed, so you'll go and see it just there. And now what you need to do is go and get your SD card, to be specific, a micro SD card. As you can see, this is only 16 gigabytes. You can get a lot bigger ones than this. But to be clear, some phones are going to support different capacity SD cards and it will vary on the phone. So go and check what size your phone can support. You'll see on this SIM tray, you've got a SIM card slot and then an SD card slot. So I've got two SIM cards, but you may only have one. And the SD card is going to be much bigger because as you can see, it is physically bigger. And all we need to do is go and line it up and I'll go and sort of sit in it like so. So I'll make sure it's sitting in pretty just like so. You may need to go and push it down slightly, and then what we can do is go and put it in our phone. They should be looking up, by the way, not down, and then the phone screen should be up as well. And then all you need to do is go and slide it in just like so and make sure it's firmly pushed in. And then what we can do is go and turn on our phone just like this. And you can go and see if the SD card is installed by opening up your settings. In settings, go and scroll down to device care, which is this option here, and then go and click on storage. Now what you may need to do is scroll down to go and see the SD card or swipe across. As you can see, here is the SD card, it's installed. Now as you can see, it's already got some info on it. You may want to go and back this up because what I like to do is just go and format the SD card for the phone. So I'll click on the three dots in the top right and I'll then press on format just like so, and this will delete everything. Just like that, it's now been successfully formatted. So that's it. That's how you can install an SD card on your Samsung phone. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.